After this video, check out this awesome React projects on our channel. Also, follow us on Instagram. We have a special giveaway on 3000 followers. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey everyone, and welcome. So today's question is about removing duplicate from a sorted list. So let's read the question. Given a sorted linked list, delete all the duplicates such that each element appears only once. Okay, so 1, 1, 2, so you simply need to make it 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you guys don't know what a linked list is, so linked list is a pair and it has a reference to the next node and it contains the current value of that particular node and it also has a reference to the next one. If you guys don't understand what linked list is, let me know in the comment section below and I'll make a separate video for it. Okay, let's solve the question. So we'll take a reference first of all, saying that let's say the start is going to be head initially, so we are just taking a reference. And next thing what we need to do here is, if I am on this node, I check the next node. If the value is same, what I do is I simply give the reference of this particular node to the next one. I'll keep going further with it. So now it's going to check 1 and 2. If it is the same, let's go to the next one, or else go to the current pointer will go to the next node. So the start is the current pointer. Or we can name it start, we can name it current pointer, whatever we want, but it is just a reference value. Okay, so while this will be a while loop till the start.next is going to be null. So while start.next, next is, as you see here in this function, value and next. So next is supposed to be null at one point. Whenever you reach to the end of the node, the next value will be null. So that indicates that this is the end of linked list. If there is no next null, then maybe it's a circular linked list or it could be something different. But at this point, it says that it is a sorted linked list. So that means that it's going to be null. Okay, if the start dot value is equal to start dot next dot value, so it means that the start of this one is equal to start of next. First we are referencing to this one and then checking its value. If it is the same, what we do here is start dot next, so this dot next is equal to start dot next dot next. That's simple as that. So start dot next, we are referencing this dot next to this one, this 2, right? So I was not able to select it, but yes, this is the one. And if this thing occurs, we need to simply do a continue. So why do we need to do a continue? Is because we are going to do a transition here which says start equals to start dot next. We don't want to reach here if this condition was true, right? If this condition was true, this should never execute. Okay, so in the end what we need to return here, so you might be tricked here that you will try to return your start, right? But start, you're not supposed to return start here. Instead you are supposed to return head, because all you are doing here is changing the references of the head, right? So you just need to return head and this should do the trick. One thing is still remaining here, so let's see this. 1 2 2 1 1 2, it's working fine. Let's go to write our own test case. So if I put a test case, let's say 3 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4, let's see what happens here. And it is going to give us the correct result, right? But what if we don't have any item in the array? So it's gonna go to the next, it's gonna check it, and right now let's see, we don't even have the start, right? So let's see what happens here. It's gonna give us an error saying that this in this loop. So we need to add a base case condition. So if no start, return start. So that means that no start dot length or whatever it is. So if no start, return start. Okay, so if there's nothing in the start, we simply are going to return it. That's it. Okay, so let's try to submit it and this should work fine. Okay, great. This was good. All right, so tomorrow's question might be a medium one. This is an easy one, but next question would be a medium one. So let me know what do you think about this series, a 15-day challenge. And also, if you guys want me to solve any problem, do let me know which one it is, and I'm going to give you a list of questions as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye bye.